I'm so excited. You know, I love playing Flo. Flo is sassy, she's saucy, but she's got a big heart. And she loves her Ramon. And I'm very excited to see the film. I haven't seen it yet. Saw little snippets, but I'm very excited. Yeah, I know. The young racer, I hear. Um, there are a lot, but the Radiator Springs people are back too. Luigi, Ramon, Flo, of course. You know, the warmth that was in Cars. You know, when they set it up, that that's why the franchise just took off because you fell in love with the cars. You fell in love with that story.